Trevi Pierre. He's in your 6th period class?
Second.
2nd period class. Alright, and I'm Gabe. I'm in your 4th period. That's Cole. He's not in your class. Because, you know, you're not about that life. So, yeah.
Alright.
This is number 1.
To see Titanic, the RUHS Theater Department charges $5 ASB student tickets, $7 for non-ASB student tickets, and $10 for adult tickets. But the total revenue brought in an opening night was $2,318, and the total number of tickets sold were 282. Then how many of each type of ticket were sold? There were also 57 more adult tickets than non-ASB tickets. Show your work for substitution and eliminate to get the full credit. Alright, X is the number of ASB tickets sold, Y is the number of non-ASB tickets sold, and Z is the number of adult tickets sold. The revenue. Do you want me to say this part?
Nah.
Okay.
Alright, so Mr. Alright, Mr. Soohoo, so this is number 1. So pretty much for X, it would be number of ASB tickets sold. For Y, it would be non-ASB. For Z, it would be adults. So the price for X was $5. The price for Y was $7, and the price for the adults was $10. And it equals 2,318. So you would do minus 5x, minus 5y, and minus 5z to eat, and then it would equal 1410. Because what's it called? You would do 5 times 282, and after that you would get 2. After you cancel out everything, you would get 2y plus 5z equals 908. And after that, you would move down, and you would plug in 2y plus 5, and then you would do 57 plus y. That's how many more adults were in, so pretty much it would equal 908. And after that, you move down, it would be 2y plus 285 plus 5y equals 908. And you got 285 because you did 5 times 57 equals 285. So you move down after that, and you got 7y plus 285 equals 908. And then you would do minus 285 on this side, and then minus 285 on this side. Then you would get 623 over here, and then divided by 7, you would get y. So y equals 89. And then to find z, you would do z equals 57 plus 89. That's how many more tickets were sold for adults. So z would equal 146. And then for x, you're gonna do x plus 89 plus 146 equals 282. Then you would add up 89 and 146, and you get 235. So you subtract it from both sides, and you get x equals 47. And then to find the revenues, you would do z equals, since the number of tickets were 146, you would times that by 10, and you would get 1460. And then for y, you 89 times 7, and you would get 623. And then after x, for x, it would be 47 times 5. So yeah, that's number 1, and on to the parent functions. Alright, Mr. Soohoo.
The parent function of a linear.
Is that in the video?
Just, yeah.
Let it be in the video. Keep it in the video.
If there's any bad words, it's due to him. Just know that, please. And that's Jerron.
Hey.
We don't really know why he's here, but I mean, he's here.
You with your mouth and whatnot. Just
Yeah, that's that one.
I explained.
Alright, go, Trev. Trev, go ahead.
Okay.
Please keep in mind that Trev wasn't here. So, yeah. Come on, Trev.
This video.
Okay, hold on.
You already have 26 seconds. Come on.
Stop the video real quick.
Yeah.
4
Hurry up.
minutes, what are you talking about?
Alright, so you can't do it. I'll just do it. Alright, so
9 minutes.
the parent function for the parent function for fx equals 1 straight across like that. Alright, that's it.
Yeah,
Right
tell
there.
them what it is. It's a constant.
You're just making this.
No.
You're making it so difficult, Trevor.
How am I making it difficult?
Please keep in mind it is a constant there. Happy now, Trev?
Yeah.
Happy? Okay.
Ecstatic.
It's gonna be the
Okay,
funniest
it's a
video.
constant. Please keep in mind that we messed up a lot. Don't hate, please. Appreciate. Okay, cool. So the constant right there, okay? For linear, it is
F of x equals x.
There you go.
Yeah, good job.
And for the quadratic, what is it, Trev?
F of x equals x squared.
Speak up.
Yeah.
F of x equals x squared.
There we go.
There we go.
And that's what it looks like, okay?
You're not gonna describe what it looks like. I mean, I'm not gonna describe how it even turns out to be shaped that way.
So,
That's what I was trying to. That's what I was trying to
If you
say.
plug in the
Yeah, but-
inputs, you get 2.
Yeah, you plug in the inputs.
So like if you plug in 1, you get 1. If you plug in 2, you'll get 4
Yeah,
because it's
you-
x squared.
Right, you have to plug in 1 for x.
So the way it's
You don't-
shaped, so if I
you don't
plug
want me
in
to tell
negative
you. You don't
2,
want me to
I'll
say
get
that.
4, which is why the point's right there. And if I plug in 2, I'll get 4 right there, which is why the point's right there. 1 is there, negative 1 would be there. That's why it's shaped in a U or V formation.
His explanation is not very good. You guys-
Well, we're gonna go for it because you know we're having trouble with it. All right, so for absolute value, it is
Say, what is it? What does it mean?
Equal. What?
Come on, Trevor, use your big boy words.
I know what it is.
Then say it!
Hurry up.
You say it.
All right, so absolute value is f of x equals absolute value x. So you could like that, and we're gonna have Cole explain it to you real quick. as to
Alright,
why.
so basically the absolute value means that any number you put in is always going to be a positive. So if I put in negative 2, the absolute value of that makes it 2. So the x input is negative 2, but the y output is 2, which is there would be a point
Yeah,
right
but
there.
the function's not always positive, though. It could be negative.
No, it's an absolute
it is
value.
an absolute value.
Because on the outside of the absolute value sign, it could be negative.
All right, so
Right,
we're gonna
it's
move
the
on to
absolute value of x. It's the absolute value
their
of x.
function, not the absolute value
All right,
itself.
so
Explain
then
the
for
value.
square root, it's fx
Say it.
You
equals
want to
the
explain
square
it?
root
No,
of
how about
x.
you
I'm just
explain
saying,
it?
I'm
How about
just
you
saying.
explain it?
And then we're gonna have Cole explain it real quick. Go
Nah,
ahead,
you
Cole.
explain it. You
I'm
explain
good,
it.
I'm
Explain
good.
it.
Cole, explain it. Come on, Cole, please explain
Which one are we
it.
doing?
fx equals
The square root.
Yeah.
Square root of x?
Yeah, go for it.
0. You explain it.
Nice guys, I believe in you.
Oh man. All right, so I guess we don't really know this one, so
Whoa,
sorry,
whoa,
Mr.
whoa,
Soohoo.
calm down.
Unless Dron's gonna come in with the super soup real quick.
Straight up. When you put in the output value of either 1s or any number in, it then becomes square rooted, which leads you to a positive outcome on the x-axis and the y-axis. So that's what the square root is.
Okay.
Also,
And-
Anybody get that?
All right, so
He'll get it.
for q is fx equals x. Fx equals x cubed. All right. So, and that's what it looks like. And Dron's about to explain as to why it looks like that.
X cubed. It's basically the input output thing.
Input output, yeah.
You
Yeah,
you
input, output.
input 1 for x, you get 1 out. You input 3 for x, you get 9 as your y. I mean,
Yeah, and then for reciprocal, you get fx equals 1 over x, and that's what it looks like.
hey man,
He's really
Nokias
good.
are awesome.
All right.
Nokias are what killed the dinosaurs.
Please forgive us for anything that this one, the horrible influence, and that one said. Please keep in mind that's Duran. And this one doesn't know what he's kind of doing, so I mean.
Because I wasn't
You
here
have a
for
mop
it.
in your hair.
Three, two, one, go.
The line of best fit is the line that goes to the most data and has the most. It's the most accurate to all the scatter plots on the graph, and uses the most accurate information.
Okay, so that is how you find the best fit line. And okay, for this one, using the average line of the best fit, what is the exact level of happiness? Someone who has a medium income or has an income of $18,500. Okay, so how you find that answer, you pretty much do fx equals 0.0002 times 18,500 plus 4.6787, and you would come out with 8.3. Yeah, that's how you do number 5 on this. So for this, to graph the parent function and the transform function. So how we would do it, if it's mx equals, you know, absolute value x. So pretty much it's the same thing as the absolute value that we did over here. Okay. It'll look straight like that. It's the exact same thing that did over here. Okay, for this, it would have to equal. So that would be where you start off. So you go over 3. So it would be absolute for x. It would be absolute value 4. So you scoot over 4. Okay. And then after that, Ricky. And then after that, you move up 3, and you do up 1 over 2 until you finish your line, and then you would do the exact same thing on the other side. Up 1 over 2, and then you would get your line. Yeah. So That's it. And then what would happen, it would translate right, and then it would also translate up because it went up, and then it would be a vertical stretch considering it opened instead of closed. So yeah, that's unit 1. Alright, Mr. Soohoo, so we pretty much learned this like pretty much by looking at the examples. Actually, this helped a lot, you know, giving us packets to use and examples and everything. And so yeah, that's like the best way we learned it. And so excuse for any vulgar language or anything like that happened, you know, any interruptions. It's just a thing where, you know, we have a couple people who decided to enter this video without permit. Well, that one had, he actually kind of be in his video.
I didn't cuss.
Yeah, but that one right there, that's your culprit. Okay, if anything goes wrong with their video, that's the reason.
The other one too.
That's the reason.
Yeah.
Why this video went horrible? Okay, right there. All right, thanks, Mr. Soohoo.